Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
So, back again. So for the cover, I decided to try Leonardo AI. Everyone has been talking about it, so why not? So from what I gather, I think this is their best one. So I'm just gonna pick that and see what that does. So I think it's some kind of training mode that the AI uses. So I'm gonna use that. So apparently it gives 150 per day. It's auto renewed in what do you call it, in 9 hours. I think I saw that somewhere, but let's just try that. Where do I pick a size? Okay, I think, yeah, medium. So let's generate that and see. So I don't want an image where it's so pungent, like Deadpool is just in your face. I would rather want an image that is, less, not so obvious, but obvious at the same time. Okay, so this is what it got. Let's see. Wow, these are cute. I think it's a little much. This looks cute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna redo that and adjust the prompt a bit. So I think the crappy, take that down. It looks too crappy if you ask me. So let's do that again. Okay, I think I love these versions. Yes, this one looks like I could use this. Yeah, I have this idea where I'm going to skew out the face. I don't want the face to be obvious because of copyrights. I don't know if I'm allowed to post it, but I mean, the red and black leather could be anything, right? So I don't want to go too direct. I think this image is gonna work because I could crop out the face or blur out the face or something. So let's just try another one. Fingers crossed. Maybe those would be better before we move on. So this is what they came up with. I think I prefer the last ones. They're better. So I'm just gonna go with those. So I think this and this. I think it has an upscaler. Oh wow, so the upscaling feature is premium. So I'm just gonna use my favorite Recraft to do this. So I'm just gonna download them and then use my Dell Recraft to recraft it out. I'll just download this one in case I'm feeling like maybe. Is there anyone here I'd like to use? Maybe this one or this, just in case. Alright, oh, thank you, Leonardo. So, Recraft, everybody. Let's bring those images in. Oh, wrong page. Okay, let's see my favorite ones first. Upload that. I'm just gonna upscale that. Thank you. Next, just gonna do this real quickly. Okay, that's done. Just gonna download them all. So I found out something creepy about Recraft. So you can download all at once, but if you do that, it's going to make the sizes smaller for some reason. So it's like it's going to share the size amongst the images. So that is a bad idea. So I'm just going to do it one at a time. It's really slow and boring, but so I already downloaded size calculator from Amazon. Gonna skip that part. So I'm just gonna create some outlines of my own first. So now I'm gonna put everything inside. I'm not decided which one I'm gonna use yet, so in case you buy the book or sell the book later, it might be a different one, but I'm just gonna work with one and do any edits I want to do later on. So let's see. Wrong rectangle. Okay. Like I said, I don't want to piss off the model, so I don't want the face to show. Like really, just like not so much. I mean, you're gonna know it's Deadpool, but you're gonna be able to say no. It might not be. I'm just kidding. But yes, I don't want it to be so ostentatious. So just want it to look very cool. It's very cool. I'm also going to draw an outline, an overlay, just because I love overlays, guys. There's no reason for this. Oopsie. I'm gonna rotate the image a little. Looks like it's going to show, but nope. Let's see, okay. So let's get some font in there. Got the name here. Yeah, that was a colossal disappointment. So we're just gonna get it here. I don't want to start searching for the font. Let's see if this still has the Amazon title. Get a better font. Always have to do. So I'm gonna pick a font that looks like their font. Not free. Wrong. So that took a while. Next I just want to add something to make it more cool. So I'm gonna add some scribbles around just for effect. I don't hate it totally, so the back I'm just gonna do something simple. Copy and paste one of my previous covers. So here we go. I think I like it. I don't hate it, right? But it's on brand, right? So I definitely might have gone with something better, but you can see that of the Edwards, right? On brand. And the Alina's version, let's see if I could show that. Oh, I didn't. Okay, I did. So I think I like it. Like I said, it's on brand. The other two look just like this, so I wouldn't want to deviate too far except when I'm ready for that. So that's it, guys. It has been fun. Let's do it again.
Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Did you know you can get all our templates for $1? Visit our store, mainstack.store/DBC.